Going on, everyone? Sam here at Late Sports Cards. We're in one box of 24 Panini Prizm WWE undercard for Joseph P. So good luck here, Joseph. Craig Robinson, Mickey Mantle, Ted Williams. Was that before Yastrzemski? Well, obviously it would be before Yastrzemski. Yastrzemski did it, I think, in what, 72 or something like that? He did in the 70s. Stone Cold Steve Austin and Andrade on the discos. Disco of Dirty Dominic Mysterio on the variation. And disco of Scarlet. Disco of Kofi Kingston and Batista. We got another gold auto, damn. It's going to be Oro Mansa. Nice one there. There's going to be 8 of 10 on the gold sensational auto. Very nice. Congrats on that there, Joseph. And Carmen Petrovic. Disco of Carmelo Hayes and disco of Jada Parker. Disco Undertaker and a green of Ren Sinclair, 249. Red Rey Mysterio, nice one there to 99. Nice. The guy. And disco of Tama Tonga. Oh. Red of China, to 99, and disco of Wesley. Disco of Rumble Performances of Kane. And a disco of the Honky Tonk Man. Obafemi, disco rookie, and Terry Gordy on the disco as well. That will do it for your break there, Mr. Joseph. Thanks again for the support, buddy. Get him out to you, my man.